Hey guys, we are over at Wyndham's Star Island in Kissimmee, Florida, right outside of Walt Disney World and all the major theme parks on 192. And this is actually a two-bedroom unit. It is basically a split off. You have this area, which is kind of like a little kitchenette with the mini fridge, a two-burner electric dishwasher, microwave, all of that. The couch that you saw does pull out, so you could have that set up as a place for somebody to sleep if you want. And then we also have a bathroom here. One thing I liked about this is, and I apologize, I was doing laundry when I took this video, as you can see, hanging up clothes. But the tub is a jetted tub, and that was really nice. And then in the bedroom of this half of the two bedroom, you have the two, I think those are full-size beds, with dresser, small TVs, but hey, you're on vacation. You don't really need the TV that much. Of course, as you can see, a safe and closet to hang stuff up. You can see that is actually the main door if you did this side of the unit. But like I said, we did a two bedroom, so we actually kept this door locked and opened this door the entire time. And you can see here, if you're in this part, which is the main part, you do have the washer and dryer, which is great. I love doing a timeshare with a washer and dryer because I just pack less and I just pop in some pods, Tide Pods or something like that, and do laundry while we're out in the parks. And we, like I said, we just left that door open. Nice big kitchen. And again, I do apologize for the mess. We had been here halfway through the trip and I remembered I forgot to take a video. But the kitchen has everything that you need: dishwasher, all the utensils, pots and pans, full-size fridge, as you saw. Just want to show you guys, you do have the water heater and everything here. Ice bucket was here. There wasn't really anything. We just left random stuff there. Dining room table, which of course eventually became overflowed with bags and shopping and all that stuff. This couch also pulls out, and the kind of that TV stand dresser area. I liked having a wooded view, as you can see, and there's actually a fan on the balcony as well, so we could definitely sit out and enjoy a breeze. And then this is the master, and again, I apologize for the mess. This again was middle of the trip, but nice king size bed. It had the nice jacuzzi tub, which was awesome. Had the shower here, and that was great. As you see, there's a makeup mirror. I love my makeup mirrors. If I have a hotel or a timeshare with a makeup mirror, I'm a fan. The toilet room was the only door that closed, so if you do want privacy, that was a little flaw.